Hi guys, that's Dorota International Nail Artist and Educator here, and I have prepared those Check Autumn colors for you. Have we previewed them in here? Absolutely amazing design, and I hope you really enjoy learning it as well. So let's start. Actually, really easy design, like a checkered look for autumn. You can see it, I started here, but we'll also incorporate another design just to show you an idea how the things can look. So on our index finger, we are gonna use 144, which is a color palette. And it's like a really autumny color. So that's why I decided to use it. So just apply it and remove the fluff. And then for a change, just so there is some contrast, on the middle finger and the pinky we are going to use a Feel Good, which is like a very light nudie color. So just apply that in as well. And on the pinky. Okay, the first tip is ready. So we're just applying a second coat. They are really kind of sound-friendly designs. Okay, just cook them well. And then we can apply the second layer into the nudie one. And cook it well too. The orangey one is ready for a next step, so we are gonna grab some nice glitter, which is called actually Glitter Sweet. I'm just gonna put it on my mixing palette and also give my tips time to cook properly because we're kind of recording this lifestyle, more of a live videos, like without of cuts. So I want to place glitter just on the side, and it will be this side. So when you're applying the glitter, try to kind of work it through it. So don't drag it just like you would paint a normal line. You want to kind of distribute the glitter nice and evenly. I want just like a wee touches of it, wee sparkle. And then do it on the opposite side. I'm also checking what kind of glitter placement I've got it on the ring finger, and I'm doing it opposite way on this one. Fantastic. Let's straighten it. And then cure it. On the middle finger, which is cooked, we are gonna grab some rose gold transfer foil. Thank you, cameraman. I was searching for a scissors. He was like pointing, that wasn't me, because he always grabbed my scissors. And what I want to do it is, I don't want to transfer this transfer foil all over, just kind of more into a side, just to go into the side. So I'm doing so very carefully so my foil doesn't transfer everywhere. The gel polishes got always a tiny bit of the inhibition layer, just enough to actually transfer the foil like in a kind of messy look, which I really like for autumn time. So I do use this technique quite a lot. Okay, let's cook it. No, I didn't have to cook it. And then we are gonna do just the same tiny retouches on this one. There we are, that's plenty. Grab the checkered look. To be honest, like, I mean, just a plain set and a couple of the transfer foil, like, that's a finished look as well, you know, depending on what you want to achieve. Now we are gonna grab the D-liner brush and some black. So I'm starting with black first, and then gonna work with some white. Pick up a small scoop of it. Very easy O2Me design. And then to be able to paint nice and thin line, which I really struggle for many years, try to lie your brush and then just drag it. Nice and steady pressure. Okay, don't go too much over the place where you had the glitter, because otherwise it will be a bit thicker. And another one on the top. Actually, painting something straight on something which is very curved, like a nails, is not an easy task, guys. And then let's cure it. And then on this ones, we are gonna go with some simple design to match it. So just a wee line and a couple of the branches. Dotting tool. Freeze it. Very simple. And freeze it. Now is the time to swap for a white. So basically you don't need even much of the products. And it almost could be like a two separate designs as well. Pick up white. Look how I'm picking up, like I'm also rolling my brush, so it's easier to paint. And then opposite direction. Very quick leafy design. I'm just kind of, the fastest way to paint it is just to pick up like a blob, slap it in on the nails, and then just drag it to make some leaves. So blob, 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 blob. And now I'm just prolonging it. Honestly, I paint so many, like, my clients really love it because it's so simple and goes with lots of things. So I think I will be almost a master in painting the leaves, the fastest way. And then the checkered look. So for a balance, I'm just placing some white lines And I have left my white to go as the last thing, because it's the lightest color. Now, when we painting over the previous lines, you have to really slow down, just so you don't get those jumpy parts. Because product behaves different there. Again, very slowly where you join the design. The only time I cannot talk is when I'm painting the lines. And then one on the side, nice and thin one. So when I was passing through the previous lines, I was kind of releasing the pressure to leave a little bit less product. And this way we have created like an extremely simple autumn sets, actually almost 2 sets of the nails. We have to just put the top coat over it. You could do it in matte as well, but like, I mean, a rose gold transfer foil is a must-have for the autumn. Top coat this one. Actually, I love this nail, it looks so pretty. And then I can show you the full set together. As I say, they would go, you could do it almost 2 sets out of it, because you could just do ring finger and a middle finger, or ring finger and an index finger, and a checkered look, the rest of the nails to be really plain, you don't have to put anything. And then you could do it also the leafy part on the same fingers, and then keep the rest plain. Let me cook them and then show you. Okay, that's the first one ready. So that's a middle finger. As I say, I love it so much. Just place it there. Then we've got the pinky. Right in here. And then the index finger. Just in there. So this is a set which we have created. Oh no, this doesn't look right. Sorry, I'm so fussy. That's the set which we have created. Really nice, simple, autumny one. I'm sending you glittery hugs and bye for now.